welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys the projects I created for Die Hard Wednesday. This is a year-long collab that I'm doing with my good friend Markeisha, who is Sweet Papery Treasures here on YouTube. I will have a link below to her channel so you guys can check her out and see what she has created today. Die Hard Wednesday is a year-long collab where we come on and share projects that we create using our dies. If you are die lovers like myself and Markeisha, this is the collab for you. All you have to do is just post up your video any day of the week and use the hashtag. I will leave it in the screen. So we come on every other Wednesday. I know today is Monday, but we had the holidays and we both got busy, so we decided to come on today. The project I'm going to share today is actually a revisited project. I created the Notepad wallets 2 years ago, and I was in the Dollar Tree this weekend and I saw the notepads at Dollar Tree. So I decided to pick up a pack and create the Notepad wallets. This is a great project. There's a tutorial here on YouTube. I will leave it below for you guys to check it out because she has all of the dimensions. I altered my belly band for my Notepad wallets just a bit. I created my belly band 2.5 by 12. And then for one of them, I did the belly band 2 by 12. This project is super fun, cute, easy, a great craft fair project. This is also a great project to do if you're going to do some Christmas gifts. You can really mass produce these. I'm going to share with you my project, and then I'll share with you the dies that I use. Here are the pads that I'm referring to that you can pick up from the Dollar Tree. They come in a 3-pack. And so if you want to create this project, this is what you will need. The first Notepad wallet that I created. I wanted to play with the new paper collection by Frank Garcia, the Strawberry Milkshake. Oh my goodness, I love this paper collection. I love the strawberries, love the colors. So that's what I played with. So let's just start here. This is another Dollar Tree find. This is a little girl's hair barrette. And I thought it was so cute, so I added it to this project. I created some charms here, just put some charms on here. And here's a cute little strawberry charm at the end. And I just used this little grommet pen and added it onto that barrette. And I thought that was a really cute addition to this. I have Berry Sweet here. That's a die, and I'll share it with you here in a second. And then I love this die, this fruit basket and all of the pretty strawberries. Love this die. I was in a swap recently and somebody used this die and I was like, okay, I gotta have it. I used some distress inks on the leaves. I used peel paint distress ink for that. And then I topped it off with glossy accents. I love my glossy accents. So I used that, and then on this strawberry, I used glossy accents over the whole thing. And then I added this cute little ladybug right there on top. I thought that would be a nice addition. That came from a Martha Stewart sticker pack that I have. I had some of these cute little flowers in my stash, and I just added those. I love how this turned out. It's simple, fun, cute, and easy to create. All right, so I'm going to share with you the back of it. Here's the back. Love this paper. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So I'm going to remove the belly band and share with you what the inside looks like. Here's the inside. So cute. Look at that paper. And then you have the little notepad in here and you can write some notes here. This would be a great idea for us crafters to keep up with our swaps and addresses, to send out happy mail. That's another cute little ideal you can use these for. And we have to have a little pen to go with it. I also picked this up from the Dollar Tree, so that is a great addition to these little notepad wallets here. Isn't that cute? So let me share with you the dies that I used. Here's the fruit basket die by Lawn Fawn. So I used that. And then I used a new die from Cottage Cuts. This is called Berry Phrases. And I use the berry here and the sweet. And it also comes with some cute strawberries too. So that's really cute. And then I also used the Lawn Fun Strawberry Patch die. So some really fun dies to use. If you picked up this paper collection, this would make a great addition to go with it. Here is Notepad wallet number 2. I went with the same sentiment on this one, the same little beret and charm here. And then I showcased a different die for this one. This is the Strawberry Shaker by Lawn Fun. I was so inspired by the video from Lawn Fun where they added the seeds on top of the shaker and it was perfectly placed. And there's a video on that on Lawn Fun's YouTube channel. And here are my shaker bits here. I love how this turned out. You can see that I distressed the top of the leaf here and added some glossy accents. And then I added a cute little ant right there. I have a die and I'll share that with you, and I just added that. I thought that would be a great addition. A glossy accent all of the leaves, and then I put a cute little flower here, and then here's another strawberry on the outside. Super fun and pretty, and this is how this one turned out. Here's the back. Oh my goodness, I love this paper. My goodness. And so let me remove the belly band and share with you the inside. And here's the inside of this one. So cute. Here are the dies I used for that one. I used the Lawn Fun outside in stitch strawberry. And then I used, this one is another Lawn Fun. This one is called Stitch Strawberry Frame. That one. And then that ant came from this die set right here. This is a Bow Bunny die set, and it's called Summer Picnic Dies. I think I picked that up from eBay, I think. Here is number 3, Notepad wallet. Went with the same thing over here, but I used a different charm on this one. I included the cute little ice cream with the blue top because it has blue in this paper, so I thought that was pretty. I changed up the sentiment a little bit. This is a different die right here, and I'll share that with you. But I used that berry from that Cottage Cuts die. And then I featured another Cottage Cuts die. I had to include an ice cream milkshake type of a die. So I thought this was really cute. I have some nail art stickers in my stash. It was perfect. It has strawberry on here as well as right here. Those are all nail stickers, and I'll share that with you. But I used glossy accents on the top and then included another strawberry peeking out here and glossy accent the top of that. I used ephemera from the paper collection here and added a cute little strawberry. I have a doily here, and then here's the back of this one. And let me remove the belly band and share that with you in the inside. And here's the inside of this one. Look how beautiful that paper is. So that's that one. Goes like that. And here's the pen for this one. I wanted to use this cute one. It has a cute little cupcake here at the top, and I thought it matched really cute. So this is the pen that will go with that. So let me share with you the dies. Here is the Cottage Cuts die I used on the front. This is called Fountain Sunday. And here's the sweet sentiment that I use. It comes with the shadow. And then here's the little nail art stickers I shared. Aren't those perfect? I was on Mercari and I saw these on there and I thought this would be cute to go with that strawberry milkshake collection. So aren't those cute? And they're tiny. So it works really well with your smaller die cuts. And that is my share for you guys today. Make sure you check out Marquisha's channel and see what she's created. A big thank you to all of the ladies thus far that has been playing along with us. Thank you so much. And we look forward to having more. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.